Welcome to India Assignment Help, where students turn their ambitions into results. For more than 15 years, we have helped students with academic guidance, mentorship, and personalized training, which has turned students into scholars. Here you will find insights from the finest professionals from each field who bring their experiences and translate into lessons that all students can learn something from. Every episode, one expert, one lesson, and one step closer to the student you want to become. Let's dive in. Do you ever reread your notes over and over and still not understand the concept? Let's fix this issue. You can easily understand a concept by using Feynman technique. Feynman technique is attributed to Richard Feynman, a Nobel physicist. According to this technique, in spite of rereading your notes over and over, you can easily learn the concept by teaching it to yourself like you're teaching it to a 5-year-old student. There are 4 steps involved in Feynman technique. In the first step, you need to take a blank paper. In the middle of that blank paper, write the concept that you want to learn, maybe photosynthesis or quadratic equations. Try and write this concept in the simplest words possible, like you are teaching it to a 5-year-old sibling, a student, or your version of 5-year-old. No jargons involved. After writing the concept in the simplest words possible, the second step is to find the gaps. What are the words that you actually don't understand and you have just mugged up? What are the terms that you should be reading again? Those are the gaps. Circle those. Go back to your notebook, your book, or any website that you have read that concept from, and read about the terms that you still don't understand about, because that are the actual gaps that you need to understand. In the third step, after finding the gap, the third step is to make it even simpler. Use analogies. Make up stories to understand the concept better. For example, there is a sentence in science chapter that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Make it in the easiest version possible. Mitochondria is the kitchen of the house in which the energy is made for the entire house to work properly. Now, this version of mitochondria can be easily understandable by any science student or a 12-year-old even. Because now we came to know that mitochondria is a kitchen in which energy is produced so that everything else can work out. So this is the way in which, without using jargons, you can easily understand a concept. And when you write a concept in your own words, without any jargons or complex words, you actually understand the concept. In the fourth step, you will be reviewing your learning by teaching it for real. Teach out loud what you have learned from all the 3 steps that you have done before. Now you have to make the concept understand to somebody else. Teach it loud to your friend or a parent. And if they ask a counter question, if they ask why does this happen? What is the meaning of this? And you freeze. You're not able to answer their question. That means you need to go to step 2 again. You have found the gap again. You need to find the answer to that gap and understand the concept once again. So we can easily understand by these 4 steps that one of the easiest ways in which we can actually review that whether we have understood a concept is by teaching the concept to somebody else, maybe a parent or a friend, because when we are not able to answer the counter questions, we have actually not understood the concept. So the best test is to see that whether you are able to make somebody else understand the concept without looking at the notes. Because when you are not looking at the notes and you are able to answer the counter questions, that means you were successful at understanding what photosynthesis is or what quadratic equations is. Let me tell you that why this technique or exercise works. Because it stops fake learning. You don't need to reread your notes because it looks productive, but it isn't. This techniques helps you identify the gaps that are there in your understanding and which actually increases your productivity and lessens the time that is involved in learning a concept. I hope you find this technique useful. In the upcoming videos, I will come up with more interesting facts and techniques that will ease out your learning process and make you more productive. Thank you so much.